topic of this unit? What do we have? Yes.
They talk about they.
Yes.
That mean only one.
We have the. What do we call it? What do we call the?
In Arabic?
Yeah, no, English. What's the name of the topic? يعني صح احنا عندنا ذا وعندنا ايه وايه. What do we call them? Yes.
Infinite article.
Raise your voice, please.
Infinite article.
Yes, very good. So they are called. يعني our topic is about definite and indefinite article. What is a definite article? Definite article is right. Indefinite articles are what? What's the meaning of definite article? Definite. Something. What is the meaning of definite?
That's meaning define.
معرفة.
Yes.
That's معرفة. Articles أدوات المعرفة والنكرة اللي هم ذا أي وأي. يعني definite معرفة اللي هي ذا. Indefinite النكرة الأي والأي. Okay. Before we start, what is the general idea about أي وأي? What's the main difference between أي وأي? We talked about it in the previous lecture. Right? Yes. When do we use A and when do we use them? What is the difference between them? Compare. We have one general idea about A and no there. What is it? خذناها بالمحاضرة السابقة. Yes. Yes,
we use A with the
Suhail.
We use A and to describe kind of something and
لا يعني هو I'm not talking about this unit. I'm talking in general. Generally speaking, the main difference between A and the main difference. This is you can find it in units 71 and 72. I will give you a sentence. I met a man and a woman on the plane. Okay? The man was American and the woman was British. Yes.
We use A and N
Yes.
when we talk about
Something for the first
time.
That is not true. We use A-U-A-N when we talk about something for the first time. Yes.
And then
But we use that when we continue talking about it. لأنه ال A وال A-N are called not specific, غير محددة. من أقول a man and a woman هذه not definite, غير معرف. بينما من أحكي إنه بقول the man was American هسه أنا وياكم عرفنا يا man وعرفنا يا woman, right? So the A-U-A-N when we talk about something for the first time. But when we continue talking about it, we use them. Okay? بعد أكو difference. أكو بعد اختلاف. We have another difference between them. We use them with the specific things. إنشاء المحددة. Something that is clear. Something that is known by everyone. Okay? When I say I want to go to the bank. Why not a bank to the bank? Because the bank is known. It's clear, right? Yes. What do we have today? Words 73. Number, we have different ones. We have to talk about different ones. I have put them on the board. From 1 to 6. 7. Okay, number A. Who can read A? A. Who can read? Ali? Yes.
We use the one there is only on one concept. What was the longest repeat the word? In the word. There is only one longest repeat. The earth goes round the sun and the moon goes round the earth. Have you correct the question? I am the only way at the end of things.
Okay, thank you, Ali. Read with me. Point A. We use the when there is only one of something. What does that mean? What does that mean? What do we mean by only one of something? What does that mean? بس أنا شفتها بتقولها قرأنا معنا only one of something. What does that mean? Yes, Abbas.
Specifically the things.
يعني in other words مصطفى
one of something. Sorry.
يعني what do we mean هسه الطلاب يفهمون هذه النقطة one of something يعني شنو؟
They come in one person. Before one person or one something.
Yes.
So it means there is nothing other like him, like that, just one.
Very good. One of something, it means that we are talking about something unique. You know unique?
Yes.
What do you mean of unique? فريد يعني ما له مثيل. We do not have another similar one. For example, هو هذه one of something. Sorry, one of only one thing. Oh, one thing. One thing معناها okay. Listen. What is the longest river? احنا we have different rivers. We have many rivers, right? عندنا وايد انهار. But when we say that the longest river احنا عندنا بس واحد من دول الانهار اللي هو الأطول. صح؟ هذا يقصد به one of something. من مجموعة أشياء أقول something only. من أقول the earth goes round the sun. What's the meaning of the earth? Do we have another earth in the world? عندنا بعد أرض أخرى. What's the meaning of the sun? Do you have another sun? الأرض مش sun طبعا. إيه صح. It goes round. صح مضبوطة. Do we have another sun? Hi, this is what's meant by one of something. معناها something unique. شيء فريد. What is the highest building in the world? يعني ما هي أعلى بناية بالعالم؟ أنا عندي several buildings, many buildings. عندي بنايات وايد. هنا نسميهم things أشياء. But there is only one of something اللي هو الأعلى بناية هذه وحدة من God, only one God. Moon, only one moon. Sun. واضح؟ Yes, who was reading? Who was reading? Yes, I go on, please.
Don't forget that.
Yes. نقول have you هذه exercise 3. Have you ever crossed the equator? What's the meaning of the equator? Yes. Yes, good. خط الاستواء. خط الاستواء only one of something. We do not have an equator in the world. Yes.
Paris is the capital.
Don't forget that Paris is the capital of France. Why do we use that? Because we have just one capital in France, right? Capital means عاصمة. Only one capital. Yes, so.
Not Paris in capital. But we use I am to say what kind of thing something.
Yes.
See unit. One. Compare the iron plate. The sun is a star, one of many stars. The hotel we stayed at was very nice.
Alright, thank you. That's good. What does that mean? What's meant by but we use and to say what kind of thing something is. What have you got? What does that mean? Okay, look at this exercise, these sentences, examples. The sun is a star and a dog is an animal. What have you got?
Sir.
Safin.
General. General because one of any stars.
Sir.
Is this what's meant by this point?
Sir.
Yes, sir. Mahmoud?
We use a and
Yes.
to show what kind of something.
Very good. هي هذا ما قلناه. We use a and to describe. You know describe?
Yes, sir.
Or determine or define. أحدد the kind of something. What is this? What the kind of this something? نوع هذا نوع يعني شنو the sun is what? شنو نوع الشمس؟ Star. We use and to describe the kind. أحدد النوع أو الجنس أو الصنف أو النمط. واضح؟
Yes, sir.
Define معناها define, limit, to show. Look, a dog is an animal. We describe the dog as what? نوع شنو؟ type مالته. animal. واضح؟ If we want to show, describe the kind of type of something, we have to use an instead of the. Okay? Any question about A?
No, sir.
Sure?
Yes.
Because I will ask you later at the end of the lecture. B. Okay, Sarah, please.
We say the sky, the sea, the ground, the country, the
Yes.
element. We look it up the star in the sky, not in the sky. Would you like to live in the country, not in town? We must do more to get the environment, the
Protect.
national world around us.
Yes, yes.
But we
Thank you. What does that mean? Use the sky, the sea, the ground. It means that, we use them with fixed expressions. You know fixed expressions?
Yes.
What do you mean by fixed expressions? تعبير ثابت. يعني هو احنا السكاي ما نقول على سكاي، لازم ذا سكاي. هذا يعني do not have rule. ما عندنا قاعده حتى لانه اقول هاي لانه definite indefinite ماكو. هاي هو ميمورايز تحفظوها. The sky, the sea, the ground, هاي fixed تعبير ثابت. ويا السكاي نستخدم the ground there. Okay? Yes, sir. But we say, okay, pay attention to this point, and I will ask a question, I want you to give me the answer. I want you to compare, we have two sentences. So pay attention to what Sarah is going to read. Yes, sir.
Yes. Without the, when we
But we say space without the, when we mean space, yes, in the reverse.
Yes, compare.
Compare.
There are
Millions of stars in space.
Not in this space.
Yes.
I tried to work my car, but the space was too medicinal.
Thank you very much, sir. Yes, I want you to compare between these sentences. Compare between A and B. There are millions of stars in space. I wanted to park my car, but the space was small. Compare. This is very important.
Sir.
What about others?
Sir.
What about the rest? يلا بقية. طيب ما سألت الشعب الباقي ما شرح نبينا.
Sir.
سهيل. تبغى البيت. Yes.
Number 1,
Oh.
space in the university.
Yes.
Number 2, space in empty place.
Fine. Who else? Yes, Ahmed.
So, number 1, there's in space. That means there is no end for it. Number 2, there is end and a limited for it.
What's the meaning of space?
Sir.
واحدة حتى نفهمها. Space it has two meanings, right?
Yes.
لو فضاء هذا الفضاء. لو تجي مساحة أو مكان. Look. من أقول there are millions of stars in space. In this sentence, space means what? Means somewhere in the universe. You know universe? الكون. يعني إذا space means فضاء, we use it without the. We are. This sentence you have to say that in this sentence space means something in the universe. يعني فضاء. واضح? So here we use it without the. But in this sentence I wanted to park my car, but the space was small. No, in this sentence the space means what? Mean place معناها مكان. Or what? Area. On the ground. على الأرض. مكان. مساحة تطبق سيارة ما لقيت مكان. واضح؟
Yes, sir.
Any question about it?
No, sir.
Who can repeat it? Who can repeat it? Yes, yes, Sina. Sima. No. Sima. I wanted someone to compare between these two sentences.
Sir.
Yes, Hassan.
Number 1, place meaning somewhere in the universe.
يعني is it on the ground الأرض or in the sky? Space around us. So in this sentence space means somewhere in the universe, in the sky. يعني هاي فضاء. Okay. So we didn't use the.
Number 2 is that the
This space means place. Here or there. مكان هنا أو هنا. Yes. To park my car. Space or any question about it?
No, sir.
Sure? Stop. Thank you, Sam. C. Yes, Abbas.
We use the before saying the same. Your clover is the same color as me, not is the same color. Are these things the same? No, they are different.
Yes, thank you, Abbas. What have you got? شنو هاشتحكي سي؟ وهي هاي بوينت. اكتبها. حتى لو صغير هي بطريقة. زينب. Yes, يعني do we have rule or this is fixed expression? Rule. هذا fixed expression. هو same. هو احنا مو نقول مثلا for example we use there with definite we use ايوه النجف. هذا فيكس تعبير ثابت. هو السيم مش تاخذ هاي memorize it. Fixed expression. شوف. Your key is the same as mine. مفتاحك يكون نفس مفتاحي. هذا السيم حفظوه memorize it. السيم دائما تجي وياه هذا. اوكي. هاي fixed expression. دي. عباس قريت عباس؟
Yes.
Your pullover. What do you mean of pullover? Pullover. Yes. Pullover is the same height. Example 1. Your pullover is the same color as mine. What do you mean of pullover?
سترة العمل.
Yes, good. هاي سترة يسوي الأعمال دي تلبس pullover. Okay. D. Yes. Yes.
We say go to the cinema to the daughter.
We say go to the cinema theater. Yes.
Number 1.
هذول هم تحفظوهم معنا. Memorize it. هاي هم fixed. تعبير ثابت. نقول theater, cinema. Yes.
I go to the cinema. I wrote, but I haven't been to the other for 8. When we say the cinema, they daughter. We do.
Daughter شنو daughter? Name. Where is it? Theater. Theater. بس صح. Theater. Yes. Okay. So when we say the cinema, the theater. Yes. أريدكم تفهموا لي هاي. We do not. Yes. We do not. Specific cinema or what does that mean? شفت أنتم هذا. No, in English.
That means but not necessary.
Previously we said that we use them when we are thinking of something. صح؟ استخدم زي من أقول مثلا I will go to the doctor. Now, why did I use the? Why? Because I am thinking. مو صح ولا لا؟ Because I am thinking of specific doctor, right? أروح كيف لو أنا أكو مخلي ببالي دكتور؟ مو هيك؟ هذه الجملة يقول we use the with cinema theater, but in this case it is not necessarily that we are thinking of a specific. إحنا مو قلنا هاي الدكتور specific محدد معرف, right? هنا لا هذا السينما theater من أقول I go to the cinema a lot. أنتم you imagine that this cinema is specific. تتصورون إنه because we use the so the cinema is specific or definite, right? يعني we have thought about it previously. تتصورون مفكرين بها مسبقا لا. يقول هنا مو بالضرورة. It is not necessarily that we thought about which cinema before. مو بالضرورة يعني not specific. هي هاي الفكرة. فكرة نحن we use the with the specific معناها لا هاي السينما هنا مو specific. مو بالضرورة I'm thinking of a specific cinema. In general. هذا السينما مو معناها محددة اسمها فلان. In general. بصورة عامة. Yes. We usually say the radio, but we say the radio but television. Radio, the radio but television. Yes.
What about
without the compare? I listen to the radio a lot, but I watch television. You have to حفظوها. I listen to the radio but I watch TV. television without the, but radio with the. Yes.
We heard the news when the radio, but
We heard the news on the radio, but we watched the news on television. Yes. The television تقول يا سلام مو قلنا we use television without the, right? We use the radio using the definite article there. مو هيك؟ With television we use television without the. But go on. But the television means set. Yes. Can you turn off the?
television, please?
Oh, I want you to compare between these sentences. We watch news on television. Or can you turn over the television? Compare. Yeah. Compare. Isn't it our preparation for today? Is it your talk?
So,
Yes, Mr.
the first one,
Shabuli.
that means
Please pay attention, scientists.
the first one, this action sort to see. The second sort this answer. Yes, sir. Answer to see to turn the television. Ask to turn the television.
Yes, Mustafa, thank you. By the way, Mustafa is very active. Why don't you be like him? What? Is he different? So, هذه comparison very important. جبناه بالامتحان محمد شلون هذا؟ Yes.
First one, the television now see now.
We watched. You mean that we watch television now?
News on television.
Yes, you are.
Number two, also.
Okay, fine.
So, in the first sentence, that's mean in general, not a specific television. And the second, it's mean
The second, you mean the television of the hall?
no.
The hall? مو تقول لا هذا not specific in general. خلي أي تلفزيون حتى لو بالشارع. No. Yes, صح.
And the first television means the system of the television.
يعني what do you mean by system?
جهاز.
يعني هذه in the first sentence television means either device, you know device, or system. يعني in the first sentence television means the TV, this device. يعني الجهاز هذا جهاز التلفاز. شلون جهاز المكيف؟ when we mean the television when we mean it as system or device we use it without the. هنا معناها جهاز التلفاز. And the second sentence
mean the television
seat or set. And the second sentence we use the because we are referring to what? To set. You know set? Set means channel. قناة معناها. قناة يعني pictures. We are watching picture. تا شفت تلفزيون مو كسيستم مو كجهاز or device.
Yes, sir.
كchannel as a channel. قناة. واضح؟ So you have to say in the first sentence we mean by television we mean what? System or device. But in the second sentence by the television we mean channel or set. Okay? Got it? Solve the question? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay, repeat it. Mustafa.
Hi. We watch news and television. It's talking about device and system. And can you turn over the television? We talk about channel and set.
Channel?
Channel and set.
Channel. Thank you. Who else? Ladies. Ma. Go ahead. Nadia? Yes, talk. Repeat this. The first sentence. Yes. Television means system or device. Oh. يعني جهاز. In the second sentence, the television. It means not seat. هذه مو seat. Set or channel. لأن هي هاي معناها can you turn over أنها تدير التلفزيون تقلب القناة. أوكي؟ أو ما أدير التلفزيون أحول ممكن هاي channel. Any question? Okay. E. Who was reading?
Sorry.
Yes. Sarah? No. Yes. Yes. Ahmed.
Breakfast, lunch, dinner. We don't normally use the with the names of meals, breakfast, lunch, etc. What did you have for breakfast? We had lunch in a very nice restaurant. What time is dinner?
Finished, Ahmed? Yes, thank you. Yes, who can compare between these sentences? We had lunch, we had a nice lunch. What does that mean? What have you got out of point A, point E? What have you got? What have you understood? We do not normally use. It's very easy, it's simple. Yes, Sophie, yes.
To object.
No. Yes. Yes, go on. Object? Where is the object? I mean adjective. Yes, where is it?
Nice.
No, yes.
Nice.
What does that mean? Yes, what do you want to say? She didn't go in. You want to say that we use? Yes, Suhaili. انتبهوا بس pay attention. We do not use the. We do not use the with names of meals. You know names of meals? أسماء الوجبات. يعني breakfast, lunch, dinner. We use these meals without any article. Okay? هذا الميل استخدمه بدون أي أداة. لا أي ولا أي ولا أي. Look. We had dinner, lunch. High lunch without any article. Okay? لا أي ولا أي ولا أي. But we use AAN if there is an adjective precedes the meal. إذا أكو صفة وسبقت هذا الميل we have to use AAN. Look, we had a nice lunch. Okay? So we do not use any article if we have the name of the meal alone. But if we have an adjective we have to put preceded by AAN. واضح؟ عندك صفة تسبقها بأيان. ماكو صفة نستخدم الاسم لنوع الماضي. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Who can review?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Who can review? Who else? Yes, Ahmed. 6.
That 6. We don't use they with the names of meals.
So good. We do not use them with names of meals. Yes, like breakfast, lunch, supper, dinner.
Lunch.
Yes.
But use the a or an
When
with the before
adjective. When we have an adjective, we have to put yes. Yes. We have F. Who can read? Who was reading?
Yes.
Sarah.
Not form, type form, we don't also use the before now in the last number. For example, we say our friend lives from this form type.
Yes.
Not the form type.
Yes.
In a shop, how we got this shoes size 43, not the size 43. And the same away we say when page 28, 9 of a book
Yes, Sarah. Question? Finished?
Question 3 in the exam.
Yes, Sam. What does that mean? What is meant by F? Yes. What do we have? What is the main idea? Yes,
we don't use the with the have known and the number.
Yes, sir. Who else? Who else? Who can straight this point? Who can explain to you? يلا البنات بقية بس ضحك. Yes, sir.
We have a rule.
Yes, we have. What is it?
If we have noun.
If we have a noun
after
plus a number.
plus
Listen,
a number, we
do not use. Very good. يعني ما نقول مثلا the room 3. نقول رأسا room 3 without the. ما نقول platform نقول platform 13. ما صار مرات. We always say دائما نقول أنا other teachers open your books at page 100, right? ما نقول at the page رأسا at page 140, right? So we have noun and number, we do not use an article. Okay? يعني نقول مثلا room 3 floor 4 platform 13 gate 16 بوابة 16 غرفة 12 هذني without an article. Any question?
No, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We have 7 points. Who can repeat? Who can explain? Choose any point to talk about. I want you to talk about any point, please. Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
We use they.
Number 1?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
We use they with something unique.
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 Yes, unique. Unique means there is only one of something.
Yes.
Yes, we have different things, but there is only one that's unique. For example, we have many rivers, but we have only one longer river. We have many buildings, but we have only one highest building. Or higher, okay? Yes. Read the examples, Ahmed.
That what is
The longest
river?
It means that we have many rivers, right?
Yes.
But we have only one river that is the longest. The longest one. Unique. Yes, we have only one moon. The earth goes around, we have only one sun. One moon. Yes, thank you very much. Yes. 2.
We use a and when we describe or define something.
What do you give me an example? Yes?
That one is the star.
Yes, what do you mean? What does that mean? It means that we use a to define what? No, sorry, define the sun as what? Yes, again, the dog is animal. We describe the dog as what? Animal. واضح هذه؟ Describe the type. Thank you. The forest. Yes.
We use they with the first expression.
3. We use they with fixed expressions like what? What else? Ground, the sea, the environment, the country. Yes, thank you. 4. Yes, we use there before? Yes, same. What's the meaning of same? Same. مثل like, give me example, read the example. Your key is the same as mine. Thank you very much. Number 5. Yes.
So we use they with cinema, theater,
Cinema, theater, radio.
Example.
Yes, example.
I go to the cinema.
But put into your consideration, put into your mind that here, cinema means that we are not referring to specific one. Okay? We are not referring to something that's definite. Yeah, and it means that any cinema in general. I go to the church. Okay? هذا general, not specific. Not like the dictator. The dictator means there because dictator is definite, specific. Here, the cinema is not specific. Count. 6. نعم حواء.
We didn't use the name
With names of meals. Yes, like what? Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Yes. But
if there is an object.
Yes, support your idea of example.
We had language.
Yes, we had what? Language يعني تغدينا باللغة. Very good. We had يعني كنا لغة. Yes. No. We had lunch. We had lunch. Hi, this is a name of meal. So we use it alone without an article because we do not have adjective. إذن هاي واحدة. But in the S we use a because we have what? Yes, when the name of the meal comes with an adjective, we have to use a. Who can't do the last one? 7. منطلق.
We don't use the one we have none plus number. Example of
Yes,
We don't use the when we have now
driving. Yes, sir. We do not use that when we have a noun, a number. Room 3, floor 6, page. Page. What did you do here in this example? So Ahmed, please.
So we didn't use that because we have a rule that
We didn't use that with page because we have a rule saying that if we have noun, number, we do not use that. Who can compare between one or two of these sentences? Make comparison between A and B. Compare between there are millions of stars in this space, and I want to. Second one. Oh.
In space, somewhere in there.
Second one.
This space. Space there.
The first one.
Yes.
Space somewhere on this.
Somewhere in the universe. In the sky. فضاء. The second one, this space means an area to park. Yes. What about these sentences? We watch news on television. The television. Yes. So.
We talk about the first one, system.
Yes.
And the second
Fine. Who else? Who بعد? Yes.
The first sentence.
Television without the
Device system.
when we mean by television, system or device. Yes. The second one, we use television with the when we mean. Yes. Thank you. Any question? No. So unit 74 will be our duration for the next lecture. Okay?
Yes.
Exercise, please.
Yes.
Exercise 1,
Yes.
2, 3 on.
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Yes. Sarah, please. Yes, please.
What in the
Not part, please, Sarah. Not part. What? Yes. What? يعني you have to use a, and the where necessary. If no article is required, we have to leave the space empty.
where necessary if no more than is necessary
Leave the space
empty.
empty. Not empty. Empty. Okay? Without pen. Silent.
Number 2.
Number 2.
Did you have
Did you have
holiday?
nice holiday?
Did you have a nice holiday?
Very good. Did you have a nice so you have to use a. Yes.
Yes.
It was
dash
best holiday I've ever
had.
Yes,
it was the best
the
holiday.
best. You have to use the why because I had many holidays and I'm trying to but only one was the best of all. يعني هذه unique هاي العطلة. ايش Number 6.
Yes, sir.
For 6. Yes, Abbas.
Number 6. And do you go to dash cinema very often?
Do you go to cinema very often?
Do you go
Just say hi.
there?
To the cinema, yes.
Number B. Do not very often?
No, not very often, but I watch a lot of films on television. Television? Without? Do you have anything with television?
No, sir.
Why? We are. Why? Because television here is yes. Who can do number 9? Number 9? Yes.
Excuse me,
Where is room 25? Do you use something? No. Why? Because we have noun, number. Yes, go. Nothing? It is yes. It is on the second floor. It is on the second floor. Yes. 5 minutes. Exercise 2, please. Mustafa? Yes. لا Mustafa صفر. Yes, Mustafa. Exercise 2. Put in there. Well, and you have to use there, only there. If no article is required, you have to leave the space empty. لو تستخدم there, لو الحروف empty file. Yes, Mustafa. Do number 2, please.
Number 2.
I lay down on ground and looked up at sky. Just say. I lay down on the ground and looked up at the star. You have to use the. Yes, both cases. Two cases. No. Yes. Sarah spends most of her free time watching. Why? Do you use any article? Why? To something in there?
No.
Why? Because or device. Yes. Who can do the last one?
Yes.
Yes, Ahmed, please.
What is special
Capital city of Canada. The capital. Because we have only one of something, only one city that's the capital. مدينة واحدة هي العاصمة. Okay, the last exercise, please. 2 minutes only. Cover. Yes, please. Put in. Yes. That's enough. Okay, read number 2. Yeah, you have to use either the or a or a. Paul lives in a small village in country. Just say only the or Paul lives in.
Yes, sir.
Paul lives in a small village in the country. Okay, it's not. Who else? Yes, sir.
Moon goes round.
Moon goes round every 27 days. Yes. The moon goes round the earth, right? Because they are unique. We have only one moon, one earth. Yes. I'm fed up. Fed up معناها سئمت. طلعت روحي معناها بزعت. Yes, سئمت. Fed up with doing same thing every day. The same. Yes. Who can do the last one? 9. 9. هذا غير واحدة. Yes, Ahmed. Yes, Ahmed. Next train to London. London leaves from platform 3. Yes. Next train or the next train? The next train to London leaves from which platform? نستخدمون اياها platform? Platform 3. Why? We have what? Any question? Sure? Thank you very much for your time. The duration will be unit 74. 74.